Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix query error 1062 alter table causes auto increment resequencing resulting in duplicate entry 14 key primary. So when we try to set option ID auto increment, then we face this error. So we are going to fix it. So this error caused because we have 0 ID. Now go to browse table data, so click on it and then you see option ID, we have 0. So when we try to add auto increment key for this option ID, then we see error. So we are going to fix it. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Now you see option ID. So you can add any other unique number or primary number and then you can go to structure, click on change and then set auto increment. So our option ID value is 0 and 1. So we are going to replace it with higher number temporary and after adding auto increment then we are going to set 0 and 1 again for this. Now go to 10 and now you see our maximum number is 24071. So we are going to assign 0 and 1 to 24072, 24073. Now go to 1 again. Now we are going to change it. Now you see we change option ID 0 to 24072 and 1 to 24073. Now go to structure again. Now go to change. Now set auto increment and then click on save for option ID. Now you see table WP option has been altered successfully. So this is our SQL query. So we change 0 and 1 value. Now we are going to change it again. Now click on it. Now you don't see any 2 or 3. Now you don't see any 0 or 1 value. So we are going to rename it again 11. And then you see cron, option name, option ID. Now make it 1 again. 1 row affected. So we find our another record. Now you see dynamic JS file name. Now make it 1 again. If you want, you can make it. If you don't want, you cannot make it, so it's up to you. So this is our dynamic JS file name. So this file create again and again in WordPress website or any file. Now you see record with A1. You see multiple record. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.